Hey folks, ever had this happen to you? Trying to change the channel on your television and your remote's not working? Well, today we're going to tell you how to test that remote using just the remote control and your cell phone camera. Hey folks, Steve Alcorn here with you once again. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, but today we're going to learn something if you don't already know. I know some of you already do know how to do this, but some of you don't, and that's who we're here for today. We're going to tell you how to use a remote control and a cell phone and the camera on the cell phone to test to see if this remote control actually works. This works well with really any cell phone and any infrared remote. Most of the time the infrared remote will have that little glass dome on the front. Sometimes they don't, like this Roku remote. There we go. But it's in there probably. There's a little sensor in there or something that shoots out a laser beam. But we can't see the laser beam with our naked eye. However, our cameras can. So we're going to go ahead and turn this phone on and give you a demonstration. I have three cameras today we're going to work with. This is the iPhone that I'm recording on, and then me down here in this little box, that is my FaceTime camera. So we're going to test all three cameras to see if this works and show you how to test remote controls. So first of all, on this one, we're going to hit the camera button, and there we go, just the camera. Doesn't matter front or rear facing, it's all the same. This is just my test phone. I don't use this to make calls or anything. It's just my test phone. And this is normally what I'm actually testing with it, something like this. All right, so first of all, you're going to want to check your batteries. I know these are all good. I just put batteries in all these remotes to speed up this test, but that is the first thing you're going to want to do. If these tests fail, the first thing you're going to want to do is change those batteries and then try the tests again. Okay, take your remote, point it at your camera. That's really it. And then push a button. And as you can see, we have a flashy light. That means this remote is sending out a signal. We're going to go ahead and do this on the iPhone now. So you're going to look right here. And you can see a flashy light. Now, this camera over here is different than the iPhone camera. The flash comes up lighter on the iPhone camera, but it's still there. So you should be able to do this. Works best in a darkened room. As you can see, my room is darkened. Now we're going to go up to the FaceTime camera. Look down in the little square where I'm at, and there you can see it. So this is just a Philips universal remote. We can push other buttons, and that works. So you're going to want to test every button, unless you're just using it for home use and you only need the volume, the channel, and the play and stop or whatever. For, say, trying to resell this, you're probably going to want to test every button before you do that. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and try this Roku remote. Now, it's that different style, so we're going to see if that works too. We'll go ahead and try it on the Android phone first. And wow, that's a bright light. Shoo. Right there in the camera. All right, now over to the iPhone. Not as bright over here, but you can see it. I'll do it again. A little bit purpley there in the middle, so that's good. And now once again up to the other FaceTime camera. So that one works. We'll try another button just to be sure. If I don't record or something on this, it turns up. Wow, that's bright. The Roku puts out a really good signal. So there you go. This is a Toshiba television remote, I believe. So we're going to try that. Go over here to the Android first. I just push the enter button. Ooh, nice big bright light. There's another one. Power button. I cannot get the power button to work on this remote, so I think the power button is no good. So this remote would not be able to be sold. This remote is problematic. I would not sell this remote. Let's go up here to the FaceTime camera. There it goes. That is the power button. It's really hard to push. It doesn't work. I'm not even going to put this in my box of remotes. It's going off to the side. All right, this remote here is for an LED strip light. And it has the, like, all the color changing features and all that stuff. So let's try this one. Just pushing the on button, pushing the off button, pushing a random color. So that works there. Let's try it on the iPhone. Really, really hard to see, but there you go. You can see it. And again, up here on the FaceTime camera. It's a different flash, but you can see it flashing. So that's good. And we'll do one more final remote. I believe this is for an Apex television with a built-in DVD player. So we're going to come over here. Very flashy. So that worked. That was the power button. The eject button works. So the angle button down there, they all work. Over here to the iPhone. You can see that one pretty good on the iPhone. And then the FaceTime camera. Not as good on the FaceTime camera, but there it is. If you look at it just right. So that's it. We found 4 remotes that work well. There's actually another remote. Let's start over here. There you go. Now the iPhone. The iPhone doesn't always pick it up real well. It's there, but it's hard to see. Let's press a different button. There, you can see it, but barely. There, you can see it there pretty good. So, if you have multiple cameras around, you might want to test with multiple cameras. So we had 5 remotes that worked, 1 that didn't. And that was that. So I hope that was helpful to somebody. It certainly was helpful to me the first time I saw it. For some reason, I just blinked myself off. You got all these remotes. You got them tested. This one's going in the trash. If you liked it, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Share this video if you think it'll help somebody else. Leave us a comment down below. Did you already know this trick? Let us know down there. Thanks for watching. You folks have a good rest of your day.